When I was 13 years old, I saw a post of
Okay.
Amazon account. When I came to know about Amazon Influencers Program and Amazon FBA, Amazon Affiliate Commission, so I started doing research on that, and then I realized that for that I need a website and a hosting and domain name. So
Okay.
I asked my dad about it, and then
Okay.
after 1 week of convincing him, he I convinced him, and then he was ready to buy a domain name. So I thought that my birthday party, I will not take any gifts, and I'll surely buy a hosting and domain.
Hi everyone, Sanjay here, and there's episode number 005 of Contra Talk Show. I have interviewed a 15-year-old person, 15-year-old boy. His name is Prince from Pune, and he's a affiliate marketer affiliate marketer in Amazon. I see there are plenty of 15 years old, 17 years old are earning lots of money due to the internet. That's the power of internet. Age isn't a matter, and I hope this entire conversation, this entire interview with Prince would be very helpful for those who want to stay motivated. And yeah, of course, hit that red button, hit that subscribe button if you need more such videos. I'm giving daily motivation dose too. That's on an other playlist called as Consan Show. And welcome to Contra Podcast. If you guys are watching me for the first time, and if you are already subscribed, thanks a lot. You guys mean a world to me. Hit that notification button so that's Prince for you guys.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. So first we'll start with a self-introduction. Just tell me about yourself, and then we'll move on.
Yeah, my name is Prince. I live in Pune, Maharashtra.
Okay.
I'm a student. I'm a student. I'm in 10th. I'm in 10th standard now.
Okay.
Before that, I was in 9th standard. I started
Okay.
Amazon affiliate marketing uh, back when I was 13 years, and today I've completed 3 years. And I'm also running a Instagram account where I share knowledge about business and other things, just like blogging and etc. All those stuff, and that's all. Yeah. What do you want to
Okay.
say?
Fine, Prince. You're 15 now.
Yes.
15 years old. Okay. So when you just start a business at 15 years old, people just oppose you a lot because when I just started my first business at 19, people just oppose me a lot. What about you? How did people react? I mean, especially in your family, your parents or your friends or someone else. How did they react?
No, actually, they supported. Yeah, my family supported me a lot. My family
Okay.
supported me a lot in this work, and it's nothing. I just need. I'm just doing it on my own. I don't need any technical support or anything, and I'm
Um,
thinking of scaling it ahead in future.
Okay, fine. So after your 10th standard, what's your plan after your 10th standard? You get this question a
Yeah,
lot, but what's your real plan?
I think I'll do this full time, or I'll complete my education, and then I'll think
Okay,
about it. Yes.
okay, fine. You'll continue this or you'll go with the education.
No, I'll complete my education first.
Okay, that's a good one. Fine. Next thing, how did you start affiliate marketing? Because there's people out there who just want to start, but how did you start that in Amazon?
Actually, when I was 13 years old, I saw a post of
Okay.
Amazon account. When I came to know about Amazon Influencers Program and Amazon FBA, Amazon Affiliate Commission, so I started doing research on that, and then I realized that for that I need a website and a hosting and domain name. So
Okay.
I asked my dad about it, and then
Okay.
after 1 week of convincing him, he I convinced him, and then he was ready to buy a domain name. So I thought that my birthday party, I will not take any gifts, and I'll surely buy a hosting and domain. And then I made a website. Before starting, the website didn't got any good response, but when I when I saw what's the problem in that, uh, when I saw all what is the technical stuff or what is going wrong, I analyzed, I figured it out, and then when I started my website, it was on the top on SEO search engine. My website name is inheritance.ml,
Okay.
on which I'm teaching people how to make blogs, how to start your YouTube channel, how to do Amazon affiliate marketing, and I'm also providing them with an ebook which
Okay.
is completely acknowledged with the knowledge of Amazon FBA and Amazon affiliate marketing, how to start, how to make a website, and all. I'm
Okay.
guiding
Okay.
people.
Fine. That's regarding your website. If you could tell me some struggles that you had while creating that website or with the SEO, because when you just start, you feel like, man, this would be completely easy. When you just start, you pretend that you could do that. That would be 100% easy for sure, and you'll rock it. But when you just start, you get stuck in one particular point, and you don't get solutions for somewhere around 1 day or 2 days, and then you'll try to figure it out, and then you'll watch lots of YouTube videos, all that. So can you just tell me that struggle?
Actually, if you quit too early, it's no use where you
Okay.
started. You should realize that uh, you should remember those days where you started. So
Okay.
we should not quit anything for anything. Like when I started, I didn't thought that I'll reach so much of success. I yes, oh, unfortunately, I faced many problems such as my website was hacked. My website was banned by many organizations. Amazon also banned my because I didn't do the things correctly. That's why my website was banned. But I incurred much loss because I need to buy a hosting and domain name again and again. So approximately I lost 20,000 to 30,000 in domain and hosting.
Okay.
So
You
I
just yeah, yeah, continue. I'll just ask you the next question.
so I realized that how to take that money back. So I didn't give up on that thing, and that is why I'm still here. With
Okay.
I'm making 2,000 to $3,000 per month by doing
Okay.
Amazon influencer and
Okay.
Instagram affiliate and all.
Okay, fine. So when you just buy a website, it's better to buy for 3 years, right? You just did that for 1 year, or what is it? What really happened at that particular time? Why did you lose that 20,000 for hosting and domain?
Actually, what happened is when you start a website, the problem is when anyone is new, we don't figure that how to do it properly. So it's really that we learn from our mistakes. So the same thing happened with me. With some of my websites, I was unable to. Yes.
No, I didn't interrupt you. That was a network problem. Yeah, please continue.
Yeah. Yeah. So most of the websites were banned by Amazon affiliate because there were some guidelines, and I didn't read those guidelines. So the guidelines were that uh, you should uh, you should not share your Amazon affiliate links to your relatives, and you should not buy the things from Amazon yourself from your website. So that was the
Okay.
thing I did, and my websites were banned. So if anyone is a new starter, you should always read all the guidelines which are provided above the page of your laptop or on
Yeah,
whatever
when you
device
are
you
a
are.
beginner, you make lots of mistakes. That happens, right? So yeah,
Yes.
coming to the next thing, Prince, who's your motivation? Because you are now what is it? You got an award saying that you are the best influencer of 2019, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So now, who's your biggest motivation? How do you keep motivating yourself that you never give up because it's been 3 years that you have started. I know you would have faced lots of ups and downs that you just told me. But what keeps you going? Who's your biggest motivation and who's your support?
My biggest motivator is Jason Stone. You know Jason Stone.
I didn't get you.
What are you talking about? I don't understand. The
Your
person.
your motivate. Yeah, person.
Yeah, my motivation is Jason Stone because he also started from scraps and he is
Okay.
now a millionaire. He earns
Okay.
$90,000 per
Okay.
per day. He's a,
Okay.
I think so, very great guy.
Okay.
So my
Fine, friends.
motivation.
Yeah. Fine. Then talking regarding the money, what's money for Prince? I mean, what is money according to you?
Money is just a tool, and
Okay.
money is just a tool to get freedom, and freedom is the goal.
Okay. Money is a tool that you use for freedom. Yeah. Of course, there are people who are starting what is it, affiliate marketing now. And what would be the one advice that you always tell them?
Uh, I never give them advice because when you learn from your mistakes, the learning you
Okay.
get is the most biggest gift that anyone can give you. So best advice is
Okay.
that you do it, you make the mistake yourself, and you learn from it.
Okay. Fine, friends. Have you been mentoring some people? I mean, there are people who get into mentorship, they share their knowledge, all that really happens. But have you been doing that?
No, no, not yet.
Okay. Okay. Do you have a plan that you should start that?
Yeah, I'm thinking of that, but I'll surely
Probably
think about
after
it.
some probably after some years.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, friends. Then what's your end goal then? Now being an Amazon affiliate marketer or an what is it, Instagram affiliate marketer, what's your end goal? What's your future plan after your studies? What's your plan that you always wanted to start?
I want to start my own company. I want to
Okay,
start my own company, and I'm doing much about it. I don't want to disclose anything more about it because I want to keep it
okay,
secret
not a
right now.
problem.
In
Yeah.
future, you'll see my results for sure.
Okay, fine. I'll be waiting to look into it. Yeah. The next thing, when you just start things, people feel like it's not the age to start a business. Have you ever received some negative
No,
advice
no, 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 no,
regarding that?
no, no. It's never like that. Uh, it's never like that. There is no age to start a business or anything like that.
Okay.
When I was 13, I didn't realize that I was I was also not financially weak, but I thought that I want my own freedom.
Okay.
I want to escape the rat race in a very
Okay.
early age. That's why I
Okay.
started this. And
Okay.
I was
Fine.
interested in this. That's why.
Okay, fine. Yeah, friends. Regarding the other stuff, who motivates you constantly? Because you don't want to get into rat race. You decided that at the age of 13. Who was the biggest influencer for you? Your teacher, your parent, or someone who
My
guided you? Or
parents.
yeah, your
Yeah, my
parents. That's
parents
great.
and friends supported me a lot.
Okay, fine. Okay, friends. Then the next thing is, what would you feel? I mean, where do you see yourself after 20 years or 30 years?
Uh, I'll surely run a business and a company. I want
Okay,
to see myself, I want to go and settle in Dubai
okay,
because most of the businesses and platforms are operated from there. That's why Dubai is a globally very big platform.
Yeah, Dubai is a globally very good platform for what kind of business? I mean, a technical business or
Yeah,
what kind of
technical
business?
business.
Okay, technical
A
business. Why
technical
not
business
you?
for sure.
Why especially Dubai? Why did you choose Dubai?
Because Dubai is a very big platform, and Dubai is a very big city and full of opportunities.
Okay.
And also, India also is a very good platform. And nowadays, Bombay is also a very good platform. But due to this Corona crisis, all the Sensex and down market share markets are all down. It's not a good
Okay.
situation. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it will increase for sure. But yeah, at the age of, do you have a timeline? Within this particular age, I just want to go and set a company in Dubai. Do you have a timeline?
Uh, I'll surely do it at the age of 20, 20 to 21. I want to do it. I
Okay,
have
okay.
plans. I've set it. Yeah.
Okay, fine, Prince. We'll end this because you are in a hurry to. Even I have another meeting. Okay, so do you want to add something else to this entire conversation that you want to say to someone, or you want to say to our community or your community?
Yeah, as you are doing much efforts to take to communicate with people like me, you should keep it on because you can change lives of people like me through your
Yeah.
YouTube. I can ask you
Okay.
how much people will this video reach approximately?
Uh, Probably it would. As of now, I'm just starting things. It would be reaching somewhere around 60, probably. That's it, and it depends upon the market.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So keep yeah, we should keep trying. We should keep failing. We should keep
Yeah.
learning from our mistakes, and success is way more ahead than we think.
Okay.
So we should keep trying and never to give up.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
So the only thing that I just started this is because I just wanna know about people. I just wanna interview lots of people, and I wanna know what people are up to and how the audience are in our country as well as around the world. And that would help me as well as my business, and that would help you as well as your business and our community. So that's the reason I started this. And I'm not worried about the viewers, I'm not worried about the subscribers, I'm not worried about the followers. I'm doing it for me as well as our community, and I'm doing it for people who just watch. But I don't want to say people that I do this for you, you just have to follow me. No, it's not that. If the value that I provide, if that sounds really good, people would follow me or subscribe to my channel. Okay,
So
anything else that you want to add up, friends?
no, that's all. That's all.
Okay, fine, friends. It was a nice conversation with you, and it was very grateful talking to you. I
Thank
hope
you.
we'll
Thank
meet
you.
you some more the other day, in some conference, or when I just come to Pune or something else. And yeah, we'll
Yeah.
meet you soon.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're
Sure.
welcome. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye bye.